I'm Joanne, JRW Bridal, and I design custom gowns. Okay, so I'm a home studio. What I find that does is it sort of makes my time very flexible, and it makes it easier for my clients to be able to fit in at different times. So I find the home studio is a very personal, warm environment. About 12 months before the wedding, we sit together, chat, and start designing a rough sketch with a few elements, and then over a couple of weeks we refine it with the type of laces and fabrics and of everything that she wants in her gown. My focus is on designing for the clients, specifically for their body shape, colouring, vibe, personality. That's the beauty with the custom, is it's tweaked to exactly, what's going to work for you. I love helping women feel good about themselves, that inner beauty. And so for me, when I design a dress as well, it's, we're all so different. So I just love the fact that your gown can be a representation of who you are.